Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete chat in Google Chat. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my Google Chat from my computer, and for example, I'm going to delete a chat or message in this chat room. So I'm going to open it like this, and then for example, I'm going to delete this message. If we want to delete it, we can click on this three dots or more action. Okay, you can go to your chat like this and select the more action, and you will be able to find delete option here, and just click on this option and you will get this question. Then I'm going to click on delete. Okay, now it's done guys. The message has been deleted, and if you want to delete a message on your phone in Google Chat, you can tap and hold on the message and you will be able to see the delete option. Okay, and that's all the way to delete chat in Google Chat. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.